Hi everyone and welcome to Tyrate channel. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe because the more subscribe likes comments I earn to get, the more content I'm gonna post and the more Mukbang's gonna do to get paid for that. Also turn that notification button on to get notified when I post something. And also don't forget to check down the description down below. And otherwise we're gonna get started. So today we have a double cheeseburger plate. It's a double cheeseburger, some fries, and then the coleslaw right there. So yeah, you know what? We gonna get started. So I'm ready to start on my burger. Oh, this gonna be a long video. Y'all want a bite? Here you go. Oh, I'm gonna drop the tomato. Oh, I dropped tomato, and I like tomatoes. Mm. And then I got Dr. Pepper right here to drink. Ooh. So, in my last video, I made the popcorn mukbang. On these fries too, these ketchup on this fries too. I mentioned I want to be on TV. Now, there's some more information about that. I just ain't been acting out scenes, but you don't know how many years I've been one out scenes. I've been acting out scenes for the past, um, how many years? Okay, it's 2021 now. Hmm. I ain't got a bite of fry. Here, I'll have a bite of fry. And, you know, it's been um it's been 9 years. I think, yeah, 9 years. Past 9 years I've been acting out scenes. That's a long time. If I was on TV, which I still do, I don't want my show about being nice with everyone. And how about my coleslaw, y'all? Mm. Ooh. Um, I wanted to show about just being nice with everybody, with the whole cast. because that would be good. I don't know if it got the ratings or not. Even if it did, it didn't. You shouldn't be mad because, well, you know, I only want an Instagram follow. I want like 20K on my Instagram. If I can get there and be happy, and even if you can get another season for your show, be happy that you got a chance to be on TV, and yeah. I see a lot of shows that didn't get the ratings, and these shows got turned off. And what I was saying, you got a champion on TV, you got the followers from the first season you made, or whatever season, and that's it. All I know I was saying, the ones that didn't get the ratings on their show, they are happy. They even happy because they got a chance to be on TV, but they're happy they got the followers. So yeah. This is so good, this plate. What else? Oh, excuse me. I ain't doing no birds. I see people that do burping videos. I don't do that. I did that once. I have did a burping time before. But I'm not doing it no more. Whew. I'm full. I got a stain on my shirt. This was a pretty long video. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Okay. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because the more shout likes comes there and you get, the more content I'm gonna post and the more I'm gonna do, so get paid for that. Also turn on the notification button on getting our phone to post something. And also don't forget to check down description down below. Like Pete this twice. Because if you didn't hear it the first time, you're gonna hear it again. And excuse me y'all for the burps. And this was a good meal. But I can't give y'all the restaurant address or nothing. So I can't tell you where I got this plate from, sorry. But I'm pretty sure there's restaurants in your state that got like double cheeseburger plates. You should know that. And yeah, And otherwise, bye y'all. See y'all next time.